This is Ted at Shortlist, and today I'm going to show you how to use Marketplace, our lightweight applicant tracking system. When you have a new job you want to post for your freelancers or contractors, you're going to create a new opportunity. When creating an opportunity, you're going to give the job a title, a description, a location, if it applies, as well as the process you want them to go through using the onboarding workflows you're already using today. Once you've created a job here, you'll be able to post it directly to what we call your portal. Your freelancers will be able to view all the jobs you currently have posted. They'll be able to apply to them directly, provide the information you're asking for, and then you'll be able to view your applicants back in the platform. Simply come in here to the jobs you have posted, view applicants. You can see that Diana here has applied to be an email marketing designer. You can then review the information that Diana has submitted and go ahead and move her forward to the next steps. Thank you for joining me today here for Marketplace. Upgrade your plan today and get access to task assignments, milestones, timesheets, payments, and more. Schedule a call today to get started.